research program has developed considerably in recent years and can be characterized by its high relevance and quality. Over the years, more emphasis has been given to the dissemination of the results of this research, of its impact, and on strengthening partnership.
After 6 years of ongoing research in the program, we were very curious to learn how the new knowledge and insights that were gained in the research were actually contributing to ongoing debates in academia, but also in policy, and to find patterns across those findings of the research projects. We commissioned in 2019 a synthesis study.
The synthesis study aimed to bring together the research findings of the different research projects to create a more complete picture and also take the findings to a higher level and to foster also the uptake of the research findings.
Local and indigenous food have a lot of benefits for rural people in Benin. First of all, if they are used on the right way, they can fully contribute to a better nutritional status.
So we have interviewed the project leaders and other partners in these consortia who are involved in the scaling. And we see that they're actually facing three dilemmas. The first one is, who moves first? The second one is, do we opt for more short-term gain? And the third one is, do we adopt more complex, systemic?
Who is in favor of the argument? Take the floor.
My proposition would be, let's come up with a new way of looking at agriculture. We have problems with the hunger as a driver for increased production.
Yeah, I'm against the statement for 6 reasons. First, for me, overwhelming evidence are the millions of Ghanaian cocoa farmers who sell their produce on international markets and are.
And you're listening to a new podcast series from WOTRO. Kakra is also a PhD researcher. What does she make of the assumption that increasing income will increase food and nutrition security?
Very dangerous assumption. I am not saying by dangerous that it is wrong. It is not wrong. It is good to increase, especially for women. But it's dangerous because we are looking at just one aspect of food and nutrition security.
Research for impact is really important when we are working on research for food and nutrition security, because we want the research to be relevant for farmers, for policymakers, for practitioners in the field of food and nutrition security, so that the knowledge that results from the research can actually be used. We are really pleased that we are having the synthesis studies done, because it allows us to get insight in everything that the work of 8 years in the program has delivered. So it gives us these few beautiful outcome stories, what really has been reached with all the knowledge. and that does justice to all the work that has been done in the program.